Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim and you are watching me on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. The topic we will talk about is Facebook ads objective. Recently, some changes have been made in Facebook Ad Manager. After that, the objects have been updated. Now, these are six objects in brief, and we will cover these geo objects, where and how to use them. So, let's go. If you have not already signed up for a Facebook profile to starting advertising, navigate to Facebook Ad Manager or Ad Center. Both are good options, but Ad Manager provides more advanced features, so I want to go with this. Click on Create New Campaign. You can also create a new ad set or a new ad within an existing campaign. Yes, now we have come to our goal where I have to tell you how you can solve it, how you can select the objects according to your business goals. So listen carefully, it is a lot to listen to. You will have fun in this. Let's get started. First one is awareness. Use this to show your ad to people who are mostly like to remember it. Ideal for new business looking to tell people about their brand, page, product, or services. Objectives include brand awareness and reach. Second objective is traffic. Choose this when you want to drive people to your website, landing page, or app. Suitable for bloggers or new businesses aiming to increase website visits or link clicks. Objectives include website traffic and landing page views. Third one is engagement. Use this when you want to increase interaction with your post, encourages likes, comments, shares, and messages. Suitable for businesses looking post engagement or video views. Can be placed on Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp for direct interaction. Leads ideal for collecting contact information and generating leads. Use an instant form with your ad to gather details through Messenger and Instagram. Helps in converting potential customers by getting them to fill out form and providing their contact information. App promotion, use this to promote a new app and increase installs, engage users, and collect feedback to improve your app. Suitable for developers looking to launch and refine their apps. Sales, best for driving conversions and sales or products or services. Not recommended as a starting point for new businesses, being with awareness and traffic objectives instead. When starting a new business or promoting a new product, always being with the awareness objective to build your audience. As your business grows, you can move on to other objectives like traffic, engagement, and sales. Awareness, introduce your brand to a broad audience. Traffic, drive visitors to your website or app. Engagement, boost interaction with your content. Leads, collect potential customers' information. App promotion, increase app installs and engagements. Sales, drive product or services sales, recommended for initial awareness building. Hope this Facebook guide will help you how to set up your ad on Facebook and choose your objective. See you in the next video with any new and useful information related to Facebook advertising. Don't forget to like the page and subscribe to the channel. If you need any information, you can comment below our video as soon as possible. I will reply you. Thank you. Please remember me in your prayer.